In this short tutorial, I'll show you how to easily copy your LinkedIn profile link using the LinkedIn app. This is a quick and convenient way to share your profile with others, whether it's for networking, job applications, or simply connecting with new contacts. To get started, open up the LinkedIn mobile app and then tap on the profile picture icon at the top left corner of the screen. After that, tap where it says View Profile. And then tap on these three little dots. Now you'll see these different options. Tap and select Contact Info. Now you'll be able to see your LinkedIn profile link over here. To copy your LinkedIn profile link, simply tap on it and then tap Copy. Now you've copied your LinkedIn profile link, and you can paste this anywhere you like and send it to whoever you want. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.